Hi there, happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. I'm Oncor Meteorologist Kaiti Blake, and this is your Oncor WeatherCurrent update for Monday, February 13th. Well, my best advice for you this week is to keep your entire closet accessible and easy to get to because you're going to need a little bit of everything this week. Short sleeves by the middle of the week with highs in the 70s, but check out Thursday. Behind a cold front, our afternoon highs will fall into the 40s, so you'll need the winter coats and jackets then, and you'll also need some rain gear this week because with that series of cold fronts we have coming through, there will be chances for showers and even a few thunderstorms in the week ahead. So let's start off with the first cold front. This is going to be a weaker cold front. You saw it didn't do a whole lot to our temperatures. We stay in the 60s Monday to Tuesday, but this will bring a chance for some early morning rain on Tuesday. You can see by 6 a.m. we've got a broken line of showers and non-severe storms approaching the Metroplex. So the early part of rush hour on Tuesday could be a little wet, but by 9 a.m., rain, what's left of it, is moving east of DFW, and that'll be out of Texas by lunchtime, and then the rest of Tuesday looks pretty quiet. It will be very windy on Tuesday, and we'll talk more about that in just a second. Heading into Wednesday, most of Wednesday also pretty quiet, but by late Wednesday afternoon and into Wednesday evening, we'll be watching parts of North and East Texas for some strong to severe storms that could develop ahead of that second cold front. Now, by late Wednesday night into the early morning hours of Thursday, the front itself will be pushing through. That'll take the rain with it by early Thursday morning, and then we're left with just another somewhat windy day on Thursday after that front clears Texas. So again, the second cold front this week presents the opportunity for a few strong to severe thunderstorms, mainly in the yellow area that you see here. That's along and north of 20 and generally east of the I-35 corridor. It includes places like McKinney, Sulphur Springs, down to Tyler along I-20, and then also up north to the Red River bottom in Paris. You also have a slight risk of severe weather. That's a 2 on a 0 to 5 scale. Strong winds and hail not out of the question in this area as we get into late Wednesday. So those are your rain and storm chances this week. We've also got wind to contend with for several days, really Tuesday through Thursday, but the windiest day this week is expected to be on Tuesday, and that's why there's a wind advisory that will be in place from midnight until 6 p.m. on Tuesday, so pretty much the whole day. Our sustained wind speeds 20 to 30 miles per hour, but we could have some gusts as high as 50 miles per hour anywhere in this tan area. That includes the majority of north central Texas, even all the way west to the Midland, Odessa areas. So what you can do ahead of the wind on Tuesday is just secure any loose outdoor or patio objects and just be ready for windy conditions on Tuesday. Our wind gusts stay elevated to 40 miles per hour Wednesday and Thursday. So even though Tuesday is the windiest day, it'll still be very noticeable Wednesday and Thursday, and then wind backs off as we head into the upcoming weekend. So several things to kind of keep track of here: the wind itself, but then also that pair of cold fronts that will bring rain chances to us, mainly early Tuesday and then late on Wednesday. Temperatures also take a wild ride here, 60s and 70s through midweek, and then cold again Thursday and Friday to wrap up the work and school week. Looks like the upcoming weekend will be pretty quiet with temperatures climbing back into the 60s by Sunday. I'll have a detailed look at the upcoming weekend forecast for you Friday morning on Oncor's social media channels, so keep an eye out on Facebook and Twitter for that weekend forecast later this week. On behalf of everyone at Oncor, have a wonderful week and stay safe.